Working on a React TypeScript based application could be a little bit challenging. For example, over here I'm trying to use span elements to always scroll to the top of the page anytime like someone navigates to the website. You realize when I hover over the prop over here, I get this, and I also get this particular error which says it could be possibly undefined. So I also tried using the non-nulling character in TypeScript, and I was still getting the same issue. So two things that I was missing was, one, I failed to add the type over here. Because this element is a span, I will say the type would be HTMLSpanElement. And when I save it, I still get this particular issue, and it underlines the ref over here. This is because the default value could be either null, or it could be also set to the HTMLSpanElement. But over here, all that I need to do is to add the null, and then everything will work like normal again. So if you've been working with React, useRef in TypeScript, and then you've come across this particular challenge, this is how to resolve it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.